What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the new cologne that I just purchased. It's called the Aariz Intense by Arabiyat Prestige. Let's unbox this. Alright, so gonna get the packaging off. You can see it was already open a while back because I was gonna open it, but then I was like, let me make an unboxing video so that way y'all can see it as well and I can review it in front of y'all. So let's get to this. Alright. Firstly, I definitely like the box design. It's really nice, very Arabian, very Middle Eastern. Also, this is made in UAE, just so you know. So, the cologne actually opens up like this. Wow, that's pretty awesome. I like that. How do you open this? Oh wow. So, it opens up like a door. So, yo, check that out. Wow. That's nice. That feels good. I'm gonna open this, remove this guy. Wow. It definitely feels premium. And now we're gonna check if this actually matches what I tested a few months ago. So, number one, I already love the bottle, but let's open this up. So, it opens up like this. Wow. Let's test out the atomizer. Okay, the atomizer is pretty awesome. Now let's actually test it out. Wow. That smells like what I had in the sample as well. So this definitely has a lot of woody notes, a little bit of floral as well, some floral notes, and it's very sweet, but it's very intense as well. You can definitely feel that oud scent in there, which is very dominant. And that's what I love about this. So for those of you who know me, I love oud based perfumes, and this is definitely gonna be on that list as well now. Wow, I genuinely enjoy this. I'm keeping on like smelling my hand to like figure out what other notes are there. So we got woody, we got floral, oud obviously. Honestly guys, I'm definitely recommending this. I'm definitely gonna have to recommend this. Now, I do not know how long this will last, so I will have to test this out for maybe at least a few weeks, because I need to know for how many hours it lasts. But generally, oud-based perfumes last for definitely more than 10 hours. But it definitely depends on what oud-based perfumes you're choosing. So when I do that, I'm gonna let you guys know. But for now, this is just an unbox, and I'm going to test this out further to make another video just based on how strong this is, how long it lasts. But honestly, I already enjoy the scent of this perfume, so I'm going to keep going with it. I'm going to keep using this probably. I don't want to say as my daily cologne, but we'll see how that goes. Hopefully you like this video. Definitely leave a thumbs up and let me know what are your favorite oud-based colognes in the comments, or any colognes rather. But Aariz Intense, check it out. I definitely recommend it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.